Roxy, what are you sleeping on?
Oh, yeah, that's...
Is that your paperwork? Huh?
Yeah.
Good morning / afternoon. Jesse and I are headed to Lido Beach to get some sun in, some swimming. You excited? It's always so hard finding a parking spot here, especially on the weekends. Come on. Don't you have anything else? Come close on that one. Where's Seagull? Bite that him. Touch it. Does it have legs? It is. Can I show them your scarf? Okay. Jessie was boiling water and she burnt the crap out of her belly.
There's a steam.
God.
Steam is hotter than boiling water.
Those seagulls.
It was like this super embarrassing.
Oh. Usually the jet skiers aren't allowed to come in like closer than the buoy, but they're like right on shore right now.
Like killer whales.
Got some kiteboarders ready to go out today. Just went for a little dip in the water. Unfortunately, the underwater case belongs to Hannah and I don't have it. It's so windy out that our stuff's completely covered in sand. And he took it.
You have to make it easier for him. You gotta hold this thing.
I'm scared.
That's probably right there.
Okay, lay back. They're scared of you. We're here at Office Max. I'm just chilling in the parking lot in my bathing suit. People are looking at me funny. What are we shopping for?
Giant pad of paper.
Alright.
Goes on an easel. I think it might be.
Oh, look at that. Hoisting.
Oh
What?
my god, it's so much money.
Oh, it is expensive. Somehow that is a fan. Put something in front of it so you can tell. That's crazy.
How's it doing it?
I don't know.
I was afraid that it was going to chop my hand when I put it through.
favorite place to eat after the beach is Chipotle. And it's veggies. Got ya.
Especially smells of chicken. Oh. She's gonna fight you, buddy. Oh, it's stuck! Get out!
Okay, great, cool. Okay, I want you guys to hang out. I know you're excited.
Holy crap, that's the girl I went to high school with.
Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. So, look, we got something to do right now. We got to...
So my dad was interviewed for SRQ magazine because he's a celebrity. What do you call it? I don't know why exactly. He's well known in Sarasota for being an architect. And here is the picture. If you notice, Roxy is sitting on his lap. I'm gonna give Justin a call and see if he made it safely through the hurricane in New York. Hey, sorry, my phone's stupid. So, you guys made it safely through the hurricane? Good. It was stupid. Alright, it's time for bed because tomorrow is Monday and that means I'm going to be super productive. You don't even know how productive I'm going to be. It's going to blow your mind how much I get done tomorrow. But, oh, look what I got. It's a little tripod for the flip. I'm so excited to use it. So, good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.